Before we begin, this video is part of Vista Systems' It Pays to Watch program, which means we pay for you watching this video. So while you're watching, look out for the 4-digit number which will appear at some point. Write it down quickly, it's worth money, so keep your eye out for it. And thanks for watching.
This is not just another demo kit. This is your presence with the architects, planners, and contractors with whom you are in contact. Each planner or operator has his or her own library that contains everything that the various vendors have sent him and is used by him to make design decisions. Vista allows its customers to present themselves through a luxurious and impressive kit and at a symbolic price that is less than the cost. Elegant hard case, designed board of curved signage systems, Vista and Vista Nova with Vista Key. Designed board of flat systems, square and sharp with a Vista Key. Full professional catalog. Of course, you can also add your material into the kit. Order the Architect's Kit today and share it with your people. Personalize it with your stickers and send. Sometimes this is all it takes, so they will not forget you on the next project. Vista System is not just your supplier. We are partners. Order the Vista Architect Kit today.